article at a discount of 15% on the printed price from the wholesaler. He marks up the price on the printed price, but due to competition in the market, he allows a discount of 5% on the market price to the buyer. If the rate of GST is 12% and the buyer pays 468 rupees 16 paise for the article as including tax, then find the printed price of the article. Okay, let us check. Let the printed price is equal to, let the printed price is the MP. Okay, MP is equal to X. Retailer buys the article at a discount percentage. Discount percent for retailer, discount percent is equal to 15%. So CP for retailer. Okay, better I will write one word for retailer. CP how much? X into 100 minus 15% by 100. That will come as 17x by 20. Check it, correct or not? 85x by 100, that is 17x, right? Okay. He marks up the price by 10% on the printed price. Now, new MP is called how much? Original MP on that 10% increased. Increase means plus by 100. That will become a 11x by 10. Okay, new MP is a 100x by 10. Okay, this is D1 light V. Now D1, D2. How much he is given discount of? 5%, 2%. Okay. So SP of SP of retailer, how much? Selling price is on this he gave 5% discount. 11x by 10 into 100 minus 5 by 100. That will be 9 by 10, 99x by 100. Okay. Sorry, 99, mistake. I should then 85 means not positive tension, 17. Okay. 187 x by 200. Okay, correct now? Which one? So 95 means 205. Sorry, I am why today more mistakes are going. 5, okay. 95, 9, 100. Okay, just 99 into 11. 55, 5. 11 into 9. Sorry, this is 209, that's all. No. Yes, 209 by 200, I think. Check it correctly. 19 by this is cancel, you do. This will be 19 by 20. 11 9s are 99, 9 left, 11 1s are 11 plus 9, 209 by 200. Okay. Okay, so this is the SP. So if the rate of GST is 12% and the buyer pays, here that GST is not calculated, only the buyer pays this much. Just a minute. So GST percentage how much? 12%. Tax percentage is 12%. So SP with the GST with the tax is equal to 209. How much that is given? 468.16. Okay, this formula is on this 12% tax you charge. 209 x by 200 into 100 plus x, no, 12 by 100 is 1,46860 by 100. Agree? Okay. Now come to this side. May not be visible that side. So this one 100 both side denominator you can cancel. Left out is 209 into 112 x by 200 is equal to 1,46816, nothing. Okay. What to do now? X is equal to, just take that everything that side, 46816 into 200 by 209 into 112, which is, this is what is possible to cancel by 4. First you cancel, it is possible by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 8s are 32. Okay. 4 1s are 4 1s are 4 7s are 0 4. Again by 4 possible, 4 7s are. By 28 possible, or check it directly, will cut. 28 possible, check someone, or I'll check. Okay, by 4 only, 7 you get. Say 4, this is cancel. 4 2s are, huh? Four 9 is 36. Okay. 36. When I asked her, nobody said. 6 4 2s are 4 6s are. Okay. Then 7 4s are 28. 7 okay. 7 4s are 28. 7 1s are 7 8s are 50. 4 1 8 answer come now. Okay, I'm doing 4 1 8 came no by cancelling. 209 2s are 2 everything cancel. That means 400 is the answer.